welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best way to keep your yard clean and leaf-free, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be covering the best leaf vacuums of 2026, featuring our top 5 reviews and a complete buying guide. We'll compare power, performance, ease of use, and value to help you choose the right leaf vacuum for your needs. So stay tuned and let's get started. On number 1 is the Toro 51619 Ultra Electric Blower Vac, 250 miles per hour, red, is a corded outdoor cleanup tool that combines both blowing and vacuuming functions, making it great for clearing leaves and lightweight debris from yards, driveways, patios, and sidewalks. It delivers up to 250 miles per hour of airspeed, which provides strong airflow for moving wet or dry leaves and small debris quickly. The unit's dual-function design lets you switch between blower mode for pushing piles and vacuum mode for collecting debris into the included large-capacity bag, helping reduce time spent bending and bagging by hand. Its lightweight and ergonomic build makes it comfortable to use during longer sessions, and the electric motor means quieter operation and easier starting than gas models. Pros: powerful 250 miles per hour airflow, effective leaf and debris removal, dual blower/vac modes, large collection bag, and lower maintenance than gas tools. Cons: corded design limits range and mobility, less effective on heavy, wet debris compared to some gas blowers, and not ideal for very large properties. Compared with cordless battery-powered blowers, it consistently delivers stronger, sustained airflow without battery drain. In everyday yard use, it clears leaves and grass clippings efficiently and is especially well suited for small to medium yards. Overall, it offers excellent cleaning power and versatility for its price range, and I'd recommend it to homeowners who want a reliable, no-nonsense tool for seasonal outdoor. On number 2 is the Black Plus Decker LB700 Electric Leaf Blower is a lightweight, handheld corded blower designed for quick and easy yard cleanup, offering up to 180 miles per hour airspeed and 180 CFM airflow powered by a 7-amp motor. Its compact build and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use for short tasks like clearing leaves, grass clippings, and light debris from driveways, patios, and decks. Being corded, it delivers consistent power without the need to recharge batteries, though your range is limited by cord length. In real-life use, it starts instantly and moves loose debris efficiently, and it's quieter and lower maintenance than gas blowers. Pros: strong enough airflow for general yard cleanup, lightweight and easy to operate, consistent corded power, and great value for the price. Cons: limited range due to cord, less powerful than higher MPH or gas models, and not ideal for heavy, wet leaves or large properties. Compared with small cordless blowers, it offers better sustained performance without battery drain but lacks portability beyond the cord. Overall, it's a solid choice for homeowners with small to medium yards who want a simple, cost-effective blower for seasonal tasks, and I'd recommend it for everyday lawn care where convenience and price matter most. On number 3 is the Greenworks 40V Cordless Leaf Blower, 730 CFM/190 miles per hour, is a battery-powered outdoor tool with a brushless motor that delivers strong airflow for clearing leaves and light debris on patios, driveways, and lawns without cords or gas fumes. It includes a 5.0 Ah battery and 5A rapid charger, so you can start cleaning right away, and the brushless motor boosts efficiency, torque, and runtime compared with brushed models. The variable speed trigger and ergonomic, lightweight design make it comfortable to use for extended periods, and the cordless format provides excellent maneuverability across yards. In real life, it handles dry leaves and general yard debris well and offers quieter, eco-friendly operation than gas blowers. Pros: powerful airflow for its class, cordless freedom, lightweight and ergonomic build, included battery/charger, and compatibility with other Greenworks 40V tools. Cons: battery runtime can be limited on high power for very large areas, performance drops on wet or heavy debris, and additional batteries may be needed for long sessions. Compared with corded electric blowers, it offers greater mobility and zero emissions, but it won't match the sustained power of large gas models. Overall, it's a good value for homeowners with small to medium yards who want convenience and solid all-around performance, and I'd recommend it for routine yard cleanup. On number 4 is the Remington RM125 Brave 25 cubic centimeters 2-cycle gas-powered leaf blower is a handheld gasoline blower built for homeowners who need strong, portable power for clearing leaves, grass clippings, and yard debris. Its 25 cubic centimeters 2-cycle engine generates robust airflow that handles wet leaves and heavier debris much better than most electric or battery models, making it ideal for medium to large yards. The blower's handheld, lightweight design keeps it easy to carry and maneuver around bushes, walkways, and fences, though it is louder and heavier than comparable cordless or corded electric options. In real-life use, it starts reliably with a pull start and delivers consistent performance without the range limitations of corded tools. Pros: powerful gas engine for strong airflow, excellent performance on wet or heavy debris, unlimited runtime with fuel, and good mobility without cords. Cons: louder operation, requires fuel and engine maintenance, produces emissions, and can be heavier than electric alternatives. Compared with electric or cordless blowers, it doesn't offer the convenience of quiet, emission-free use, but it does outperform them in sheer blowing strength and endurance for big cleanup jobs. Overall, it's a solid choice for homeowners with larger yards or frequent tough debris needs, and I'd recommend it to users who prioritize power and runtime over the ease and low maintenance of electric or battery blowers. On number 5 is the Worx WG5 1212 amp Trivac is a 3-in-1 electric outdoor tool that combines a leaf blower, vacuum, and mulcher, making it a versatile choice for lawn care and seasons when leaves are falling. Its 12-amp motor delivers solid airflow for blowing leaves off driveways, patios, and lawns, and the vacuum/mulcher mode conveniently sucks up debris and reduces it to a smaller volume for easier disposal or composting. In real-life use, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, with a user-friendly design that makes switching between modes quick and simple. The included collection bag captures most of the shredded material, reducing trips to the trash. Pros: multifunction 3-in-1 design, strong enough suction and blowing power for most residential needs, effective mulching that reduces debris volume, and affordable price point. Cons: cord limits range, performance is less powerful than gas models on heavy or wet leaves, and the vacuum mode can clog with large debris. Compared with single-function blowers, the Trivac offers more utility and better debris management for homeowners needing both blowing and cleanup in one tool. Overall, it's a good value for small to medium yards, and I'd recommend it to users who want a simple, versatile tool for routine yard maintenance without the expense or noise of gasoline equipment.